Hey guys, if you are frequent visitors to the website, you may have noticed we made a couple of changes over the last few months. If you've never been to the website, I certainly encourage you to do so. It's going to be caradefalco.com. And I just want to give you a little website tour so you can see all the great stuff that's up here. So this is our homepage. We've got our most recent recipes up top here. And then, of course, we're talking about how my goal is to encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. And then we break down our recipes into a couple different categories. So we basically do it by meal part. So there's dinner, dessert, breakfast, and lunch. And then here we've got our top 3 most popular recipes, as well as my picks for the recipes that I think you're going to be most wanting or needing in the next couple of days or weeks. And then, of course, you can follow me on social media. All of my social media accounts are at Cara DeFalco. This is my Instagram feed, so you kind of get a sneak peek with the top 8 photos. And then you have the option to sign up for my email list and become a Cucina Insider. When you do, you're going to get a free e-cookbook, and then you'll also get a weekly recipe and notifications to whatever I have going on. So that's right on our homepage. Then if you click recipes, that'll bring you right to our recipes page where we have all of our recipes that we've ever put up. Now, there can only be so many on a page. There is this little link here that says older. Sometimes it's a little difficult to see, but you can continue to scroll back and go through each and every recipe that we've ever done. And then, of course, you know, all of our recipes have a video to go with them. So if you find one you like, if you're looking at this caponata, which is absolutely delicious, you just click into it. There's our video. The whole show is right there. You just hit play and you'll get our step-by-step video.
Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara DeFalco, and today we are making a Sicilian classic. We are making...
All right, so there's that, and then you just scroll down a little bit. You always have to put a little blurb in there, but the recipe is right there. It's not like other websites where you have to scroll through the person's entire life story before you actually get to the recipe, because that drives me crazy. Then if you hit articles, you get some articles that I've written as a cook and as a health coach. So most recently we did some stuff for New Year's about 5 healthy resolutions you could keep, apps for New Year's Eve, and then of course this one's still really popular because of the cold and flu season, foods to fight a cold. And then we have our events, anything that's going on. I'm going to be updating this soon as well. But we have our free cooking demo coming up March 1st. That's going to be at Scucciami and Chatham. And then, of course, the big one is the trip to Italy. That's going to be in April. We do still have a few spots left for this. So if you're all interested in traveling with me to Italy on this amazing culinary tour, you definitely want to pop over here and get yourself registered for that. All of that is there. Something else I'm really excited about that's coming up is Cucina Camp. We're going to be doing a summer camp this summer, and that is going to be for children ages 8 to 15. It's 2 weeks at a time. They get a field trip included, t-shirts, there's all the fine print there and all the details, and then you can register. We're doing that with our partners at RLS, so that's going to be who handles your registration. There's the shop where you can buy some of my favorite kitchen tools and products. I am a big fan of Caputo flour, and they don't pay me for that. There's the About section where you, of course, can learn a little bit more about me, my past, and how I came to love food as much as I do. Health coaching, if you're at all interested in working with me as your health coach, particularly if you're someone who's interested in either changing your diet or going on a limited ingredient diet such as vegan or gluten-free, or probably even more powerful, if you've been told by a medical professional that you have to change your diet, then definitely fill out this form. I do a free consultation. I'd be happy to help you find dishes and ingredients and recipes that work well and fit within whatever framework you've been given. So I'm really happy to work with people on that. And then finally, of course, we have our gallery. We just have beautiful food photos from over the years. And all of our social media links are up here as well. Facebook, Instagram. I'm on Pinterest if you didn't know, as well as YouTube. And then finally, on the far right, there is the search bar. So if you are looking for, let's say, vegan recipes, just type that in and hit that search button, and it's gonna pull up all my recipes that fall under that vegan category. So you have a lot of options, and I don't think people realize how many dishes, real traditional dishes, fall under a vegan or a vegetarian or a gluten-free category without even trying, without having to make too many changes. So if maybe you're not ready for health coaching, but you just need a little help on your way, you can always use that search tool. So that is the Cucina website. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you go check it out, please. Again, it's going to be caradefalco.com. I'll see you guys soon.